ready to unlock peak performance on your Windows 11 gaming rig. Let's dive into updating your Nvidia graphics card drivers, a crucial step for smoother gameplay and optimal visuals. First, we'll start with the manual method. Open your web browser and head to the Nvidia website. Once on the website, locate the driver download section here. You'll be prompted to manually input your product details to find the correct driver. Select your product type, series, and product, such as your graphics card model, for instance, a GeForce RTX 3080. Then, specify your operating system as Windows 11. Click Search. The website will then present you with the latest available driver for your card. Read the release notes carefully. These offer important info on fixes and improvements. Then, click Download. Once downloaded, open the file. Follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked about installation options. The Express option is typically the easiest choice. Be patient, as the process might include a temporary screen flicker while the drivers are installed. Now, let's look at the GeForce Experience option. If you have the GeForce Experience application installed on your system, open that up. Navigate to the Drivers tab. Here, you will see if a new driver is available. If so, click Download. Once downloaded, click on Express Installation or Install with the recommended installation to start the updating process again. Be patient during installation, as the screen might flicker or go black momentarily. After either method is complete, it's always a good practice to restart your computer to fully activate the new drivers. Congratulations, your Nvidia drivers are now updated. You're ready to enjoy improved performance and compatibility. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.